Alright, so we're moving the truck right now back to my house. And yeah, it's going pretty good so far.
Not good.
Besides having no brakes and having to downshift to slow down.
And the brakes are fucking wailing right now.
Yeah, that's what. We have Hunter tailing us in AJ's truck. Yeah. What the fuck? What the fuck was that?
That's my truck.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Alright, what's the matter?
What the hell? Wait, see, pull over. What happened?
What's up?
Are you serious?
Don't cause it.
Yo, you should have stayed on the phone, dickhead, so we could talk to each other.
What?
Don't bring any attention.
Alright, go ahead. I won't.
Only rev if something's wrong.
Yeah, bro. That's not cool.
Douchebag.
Douchebag.
Douche move, bro.
Truck don't even want to start.
Yeah, look.
Hey, it's a piece. There we go.
You rolled a guess. Are you fucking serious?
Not here, baby. Not here.
Alright, by this flashing light. Oh, this is cranking over. Yeah, we're kind of getting towed down a main road right now by AJ's truck.
Yeah.
Because this doesn't want to start right now. We don't have time to check why. And the brakes, you know, the drums are still not attached, so that's a problem too. And we're just hoping we don't get pulled over right now. Basically, I need to hold the flashing light up there so people know what we're doing. Just pull the shit in the truck. Yeah, you want to hold that?
There it goes in the
Oh
private.
shit, that's what's fucking suing. Yeah, we're cold. This is what it's like to have a project pop.
Yeah, the project piece.
Yeah. I'm gonna roll my window up because I'm freezing.
No, then it's gonna get foggy in here. You
Oh,
can't.
true. Fuck. Here, let me take the camera back. But
I,
yeah,
at,
we'll
I
keep
at least want to be able to see right now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just hold that up. You got the camera?
Yep.
Alright. This is so terrible.
Oh my god.
Should we just let these people buy us behind
Hey,
us?
whatever, man. It's Mexico, you know.
Yeah. This is filmed in Mexico right now. Just so everyone knows, we're down here in our homes here in Mexico. But yeah, we'll keep you guys updated with what goes on. Fuck.
So as AJ
mic
was
on?
pulling off,
Is the mic on?
yeah.
As AJ was pulling off right after that clip you just saw, the toe strap snapped off. So we're stranded right now.
He's calling me. Yo. What? Why?
What'd he say?
You're gonna push us? No, bro. That's not gonna fucking work.
Yo, what the fuck?
All right, Nick. Put it in the bed.
What?
Put the toe strap in the bed.
Wait, why is he not pushing us?
He's gonna push us across the street. We're gonna fix it in the parking lot. All right?
You can't push the fucking truck. That's not happening. That's not gonna happen.
Oh, we gotta figure out something. All right, we'll get back to you guys.
Yeah, don't fuck. I don't. Alright, so we just gotta push the truss. Can you reach the starter? Just bang the starter. Hit it, AJ. Hit it harder than that. Hit it again. You have to hit it harder than that. Watch out. He's gonna start it.
Watch out.
There you go. Start it. There we go.
It's going. Wants to.
There we go. It started. Stop. You have cables? Why don't we have jumper cables with us? Why don't we have jumper cables?
And you didn't want to
with us?
buy them.
No, but still, why don't we have fucking jumper cables with us? It's so stupid. Hit it again, yo. Go underneath and hit it again. That's all we could do.
You have jumper cables in the back of your truck?
Gotta get skinny. Gotta
No.
get skinny.
You gotta be like fucking. Okay.
Oh,
Police are pulling.
fuck. Oh, fuck. Hunter, cops. Cops or something. No, not for us. Good. Not for us. Oh, what is that?
Fire rescue.
Oh, yeah. Did you hit it?
Watch out, Derek.
What?
Watch out. I didn't even hit it.
Here, go.
You need to. It's starting. It's turning over.
Barely. Turn the fucking headlights off. You're draining more time.
Wait, should we do the test about the dim lights or?
They were dimming a little bit.
Nah, it's not gonna be the battery. Battery's brand new.
Alright. Somebody go and talk about, ask if they have jumper cables.
Okay, let's go.
Ask these guys. Fire rescue.
Yeah, ask them.
Alright, yeah, Hunter, come with me.
Wait, no. What, are they gonna be like, yo, where are your plates?
Say we don't have fucking plates.
Say we're just trying to tow the thing home. Nick, still fucking.
Alright, let's go.
Understand. Nick, take your hood down, Nick, go in it.
I don't give a fuck if I... Bro, I'm cold as shit. Nah, I'm bringing the camera. Alright, so we need jumper cables right now as well. Is there a guy in the car or?
I think so.
Okay. No, there's no one in the car. It's inside the restaurant asking. Oh, look who it is.
Who?
String bean. String bean, oh my god, look.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
Nick, wait.
Dom, do you guys have jumper cables with you by any chance? You have jumper cables with you?
Did you, check
What's up? Yeah, we snapped it. Yeah, exactly. That was us that the toe strap broke, and then we had to push it.
I saw you guys. I was like, hey, that's AJ's truck, and that's Nick behind him. Oh, look, they broke the toe strap.
Yeah. Truck was just running fine too. Now it won't turn over, and we have to bring it back to
It
my
was
house.
so weird. I was driving it. I had it in neutral. Thing just done.
We're filming for the YouTube channel. Of course, we get this all on film. It's great.